Hey guys, it is Mr. Steak. Lava. Steak. Like steak, yeah. Well, today we are playing War of Warships. Sorry for the background noises, but yeah. And I apologize for the lack of videos lately. We had to get a new headset, so yeah, we're all good. We're gonna play some War of Warships. We're gonna go with the Black Swan. Oh yeah. Alright, let's battle with the Black Swan. So I have had some practice. And yeah, I know all the controls. And yeah, I know all the controls, so I at least know what to do when under fire. Alright. Alright, let me see here. So here's our ship. It is the Black Swan, which you should fear with your life. The Black Swan, the Black Swan. So, out of here, and then, looks like we can't zoom in on this one. We are the last reinforcements that they have to win, and yeah. So we are going to, yeah.
General quarters.
First of all, I'm just gonna head to the group. Let's go push on. I don't see anything on the radar, so yeah. But we're gonna keep pushing forward. We are fearless! Fearless, we tell ya. Fearless. Push on! So, I'm not seeing any enemy. Pressing that 5 times fast. Shits, but keep an eye out. You never know when there could be. Never know when there could be one. I don't see any enemies, but probably out of range. Is that those bombers? Oh my god! I see some enemies. No! Oh great, we're detected. Well, I don't see any enemy ships, so. Alright, let's move out. Oh, goodness. Reloaded. Nice! Direct hit! That was awesome. Oh my! That was awesome. This is awesome. Fire! Nice! Direct hit! Get 'em, boys! Yeah, we're moving in. We are fearless. Fearless, I tell you. Nice. Oh my god, we're under heavy fire. We're under fire. I repeat, we are under fire. Repeat, we are loading. Oh my god, they're low, they're low! Fire! Woohoo! Nice! Move it, move it, move it! Nice! We're pushing them through! Nice work, boys! Pushing them through! Push through! Push through! Nice! That's 2 warships. Nice. That does some serious damage against them. Oh, nice. Oh my god, I'm under attack. Oh yeah. Why am I going so slow? Why have I stopped? Keep moving. Ah! Ah! Gotta fire upon them. Guys, I need help. Where are you? I need cover fire. Help! But ah! Ah! No! Oh! Dang it! But we got 2 kills, and 2 kills is good for me. Alright. Alright, let's go back. And, yeah. We're gonna do 2 rounds of this. Alright. So, we're gonna choose a different ship. How about this one? This is a new ship that we got. Now let's choose this map. Let's choose this bad boy. Alright, let's battle! Alright. Hope you guys are enjoying this video, and hope you guys enjoy all of my videos. I mean, yeah. Here's my ship. My ship. We're always on the green team for I don't know. Alright. Load up. Alright. Load cannons. Fire torpedoes. Well, not now. Do not fire them now. I said do not fire them now. Ooh, that was a close one.
Battle starts.
Let's move. Move out. See any enemies? You see any enemies? Give a holler. Now the name is Captain Steak, and do not make fun of my name. The name's Captain Steak, and here's my first and my first mate is actually is my dog. Don't judge me for that. Oh my god, I see some enemies. We see them. We see them. We gotta detect more. You see any? See any boys? Oh, there's one, but none of our concern. I'm just gonna push on. Huzzah! Okay, we have spotted multiple enemies behind the islands. It looks like they're trying to do something. Nice! Ah! We've been detected! Push on, man! Push on! Get him! Nice! Okay, I've detected. We got multiple enemy ships. Nice! Direct hit. Oh! Oh! That was awesome. Let's do it again. Fire! Fire! Oh my god, they're on fire! We fired them with fire! Yeah! Push through! Destroy this ship! Oh, nice! Nice! Now that's the war. Now that's the main battle. Alright. Nice. Oh, great. Yep. Alright. Let's get to enemy. Let's get. Alright. Oh. Wait. Is that alive? I'm just gonna fire some torpedoes over there. Oh, nice! Direct hit! Let him up, let him up, I'm on fire! So let him up, let him up, let him up, on fire! Whoa, whoa, whoa. I apologize for the singing. It won't be seen again. Looks like I'm out of range. Oh, nice! I hit him. Let's move. Yeah, I'm going with this guy. He seems to know what he's doing. We're going to go flank him. I bet the people in the town are probably like, wait, what's happening? Why is there like a full-blown war happening around our islands? The truth is, I don't know. Alright, we're going around sneaking back. Looks like we're out of range. But if we go around this way, we can crossfire them. They can bring to a standstill. I don't know who's gonna win. I mean, you probably know, because you can just skip to the end of the episode. But yeah. Oh my god. Is that the remaining 4 that's actually alive? Detected. Alright.
Open fire at your allies.
Get him. Alright, let's get him. Oh! Nice! Direct hit. Let's keep firing. Keep firing at him. Woohoo! We successfully won! And I think we've run out of time in this episode. Ooh, we've gained a level! I mean, to be honest, I did get like 3 kills, so that was amazing. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vid. Be sure to sub and like and comment and like this and like the videos to get more. This is Mr. Steak Lover signing off.